Hello coaches, this is Alexander. I'm gonna make this video short and sweet for you to learn how to build a simple landing page, a sign up for your next launch. It might be a newsletter, might be a lead magnet, might be a free webinar, any sort of a PDF, a playbook, blueprint, a template, and you can drive a lot of leads, people, potential new buyers for your high ticket services, right? If you're making less than 6 figures a year, follow the steps, follow me for more, and you can absolutely do it yourself. But if you're making 6 figures and above, you can book a call and we can talk about how I can help you take over as a marketing partner without you needing to work in your business, focusing in the tasks and day to day. I mean, that's a little bit of working on the business with marketing and business development. But hey, you have maybe other hobbies, and I want you to have more freedom. This is the whole idea here. And without further ado, I'm gonna keep this video very short, under 5 minutes, because I made a simple form. You can follow the steps here. Honestly, it's really easy. Inline form you're gonna choose, and I already had one, so I'm just gonna go back. I'm gonna use this one, and from the top in the URL bar, you have this code, which is your form ID, as we call it. You just make sure from the settings you click incentive. There's like a toggle button you want to check off, save, and publish. Then you go to the settings here at your account, scroll at the very bottom, and find the API key. Copy this key, go to the card page, and here, as you see, this is a template that I'm gonna share with you. This is my newsletter sign up page. And I had like more subscribers, but I deleted a lot of them because they're inactive. That's a best practice. If they don't open your emails in the last 90 days, you just clean it and improve your deliverability because you want to land in their primary inbox, not their spam. That's a little sidebar. But you copy the API key here from, this page. You need the public API key, not the secret one. And the form ID, again, it's if you go back to the landing pages, this is my form here. And click on, I'm using Arc browser, as you see. It's a little bit different, but from the URL, you can find this code. That's the number of your, as we call it, the form ID, right? And as simple as that, all these two things, you just select type via kit. It's already selected if you're using my template, and click done. Then go to the floppy disk here on the top right and click publish changes. That's gonna publish it most likely on a first option that it's not custom domain, but a core card.co URL. However, you can definitely use a custom domain. Mine is amusedalek.com. For this, I'm gonna make another video. It's a little bit more complex. There's a few options I would like to introduce to you in the next video. There are 3 DNS settings. It takes approximately between 24 to 48 hours to propagate, but it could be done in 5 minutes or so if you know exactly what you need to do. But this is for this video, publish the changes. That's about it, guys. So if you would like to book a call, there's a link to my TidyCal. It's a marketing breakthrough strategy. We're gonna stress test your 6-figure, 7-figure offer stack of your coaching business, and maybe you're relying on referrals and you've been selling one-on-one coaching service for executives or CEOs. Hey, there's a lot more to your coaching business. Maybe you have like decades of experience, and implementing marketing systems is a way to scale even more and have freedom to enjoy the free time you have and the fruits of your labor with your family, to pursue other hobbies, interests. I'm really loving freedom and spending time in nature, snowboarding in the winter, running, cycling the summer. So let's get it, guys. Hope you have a great time and enjoy.